How to change only Instagram profile picture, not Facebook. So first you will need to open your Instagram application, and to change the profile picture on your Instagram account exclusively, you need to access your account center. So click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three lines icon on the top right, then go click on settings. Here you will see the Meta Accounts Center that is isolated from the other settings with a square border. Just tap anywhere within the border to get to the Accounts Center page. Here you'll see the profiles, and it should display your Facebook and Instagram accounts. So just tap on that. Then to change your Instagram profile picture, tap on your Instagram account. Here you can even change your name, username, and avatar, but what we're after is the profile picture. So tap on that. It should bring up your camera roll with all your photos. So just select a photo that you want. After that, click save and your Instagram profile picture will now be changed. If we go back on the account center, you will see that the Facebook profile picture wasn't changed. So that is how to change only Instagram profile picture, not Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.